Preventive maintenance. At MULTIVAC, we are committed to making it as easy and convenient as possible for you to own a MULTIVAC machine. With this in mind, we developed a range of preventive maintenance programs to help guarantee optimum performance and the smooth running of your machines at all times. In the following, I would like to focus on the many benefits of preventive maintenance. A PMA or preventive maintenance agreement will enable you to identify hidden inefficiencies in productivity. We guarantee that your machine will operate at the optimum performance levels throughout the entire service life. You will be able to keep your production costs under control at all times. A PMA is a total care concept that greatly increases the reliability and availability of your machines. You will avoid breakdowns and unscheduled machine downtime, especially when you need your equipment the most. A preventive maintenance agreement from MULTIVAC is an affordable investment developed to protect your machines from the most common causes of downtime. With a structured schedule, preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the risk of unplanned downtime. With the basic, standard or premium package, we can offer you personalized, custom-tailored preventive maintenance. With preventive maintenance, you will avoid unscheduled machine downtimes, especially when you need your equipment the most. Let's remember Murphy's Law: anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So with this in mind, we make it to our task to prevent Murphy's Law from coming to be. I'd like to show you a simple calculation example with a thermoforming packaging machine to find out the impact of downtime and the positive effect of preventive maintenance. In this case, your machine produces 10 cycles per minute with a 4-track 3-row format, so in total 12 packages with 1 cycle. We are talking about 120 packages per minute. So now let's calculate the impact of downtime. If you produce 50 minutes per hour, I'm looking at the 10 minutes reserve per hour, for example for changing film, we are talking about 6,000 packages per hour. Summarized per day with 2 shifts, meaning 16 hours of production, you can produce 96,000 packs per day. This example highlights the positive effect of preventive maintenance with an annual reduction of unplanned downtime of 3 days per year, which saves you 288,000 packs every year. As you can see, avoiding machine breakdowns increase your output significantly. Let's take a look at the impact of preventive maintenance on performance. Preventive maintenance will enable you to identify hidden inefficiencies in productivity. We guarantee that your machine will operate at an optimum performance level throughout the entire service life. Let's do another calculation to see this huge impact. Same packaging parameters on the same machine. 4 tracks, 3 rows, so we are talking about 120 packages per minute with 10 cycles target. As a result of lack of preventive maintenance, the machine slows down a little bit. In this case, only 0.5 cycles per minute. This doesn't sound like much, but let's look at the impact. With 9.5 cycles, we are producing 114 packages per minute instead of 120 packages per minute. This means a reduced productivity of 6 packages every minute. What does this mean on the long term? You are producing again 50 minutes per hour, 2 shifts per day, and 250 days per year. What is the impressive result of this calculation? By eliminating this inefficiency of 0.5 cycles per minute, we can increase the output of the machine by 1.2 million packages. A preventive maintenance program significantly increases productivity and ensures operation at an optimum performance level for you for your long-term benefit. Keep your production costs under control at all times. Reactive maintenance results in you losing money. Preventive maintenance, on the other hand, is cost-effective. The MULTIVAC preventive maintenance program pays off directly. It is the guaranteed best investment with top returns for the entire lifetime of your equipment. As a summary of our 2 calculations, we see an impressive increase in productivity. In this case, with the help of preventive maintenance, the total gain will add up to almost 1.5 million packaging units per year. The preventive maintenance program is cost-effective and at the same time it's a total care concept that greatly increases the reliability and availability of your machines. Your MULTIVAC partner will be happy to provide you with further information.